can't stay.
Hello, my name is Ganapathi Reddy. I am the Chairman Managing Director of StayFit Health and Fitness World Private Limited. Well, StayFit has been 21 years old in the fitness industry. We've been catering variety of fitness equipments. So StayFit believes in prevention is better than cure. So rather than trying to solve problems after we as they come in, so we prevent before it could arrive. Like any health issues would come because of lack of exercise or not keeping oneself healthy and fit. So we have a variety of equipments for all age group of people, age, height, weight, irrespective of gender. So we have a variety of equipments for all kind of people, and we select and we have trained our fitness consultants to guide and support for all age group of people based on their age, height, weight and then requirements. So that's how we are specialized in taking care of everybody's fitness needs. And this, once regularly exercises, they can really prevent, it's in the overall well-being. It's basically, it helps in balancing mental, physically. It's once somebody is being physically fit, it also keeps that mentally and emotionally fit. And they will also have a good thoughts of being in the spiritual aspects also. I'm being as a very fitness, basically I'm an athlete, and then that's how I started my journey to, to get into the fitness business. Now we have a chain of stores across India, over 50 stores all over India, and then we have a trained fitness consultants really supporting the entire India. We have a build-even mission saying that building healthy India is our main mission. So that is the whole game we are playing. In the process, we were also having a walkathon, marathon, and a 5K run, 10K run. It's not that selling equipment alone. We want to empower people to really participate and then experience the fitness benefits. So beside that, we are also coming with the chain of health clubs, where we will also going to teach yoga. It's a part of it's a fitness, being stay fit. It's not necessarily that only fitness equipments can make people fit. One can also, have without equipment, still one can exercise and be fit. And yoga also helps personally. I'm a personal yoga practitioner myself, besides my exercise. Now as that yoga day is coming up, and now whole world is looking at us, that we are really proud that the yoga has started from India and then spreading all over world. And because of our the ancient cultural traditional values, and the whole world is looking at us, learning from us in the how yoga can really help people in all aspects. Could be physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and it also helps in being strong in financial, in all aspects. So I would strongly recommend people to exercise for healthy living and also follow the yoga, because it is our own product. It's our own, we are lucky and proud that it is born in India and then upcoming all over world. And we have a very special day coming up, and I would request everybody to really join the movement and then do yoga and do exercise and build a healthy India. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Anukruti Govind Sharma, founder of Misfit Mojo, and I am here today at StayFit's head office in Bangalore, along with respected Mr. Reddy, who is the chairman and the managing director of the brand. So, just to start with the conversation, I would like to know something genuinely from you. StayFit being such a big brand, it's a national level fitness brand, and you have equipment all across the country, magazines flowing left, right and center across the country, and people getting aware of different forms of fitness. What is your take on fitness? I'm sure you are a very passionate fitness professional yourself.
Right.
To be the head of a fitness brand, you have to feel very passionate about fitness yourself.
Right.
So that goes without saying. But apart from that, I would just like to know what fitness means to you.
Fitness is like I believe I'm being an athlete, so I know the value of being fit.
Right.
So one to live the fullest of its life, one first fundamental requirement is to one should remain healthy and fit. So in that aspect, the fitness helps keeping oneself fit, and also it prevents many health issues, and it's like an investment on the one's life to remain healthy and happy, that when one will go old, it's a natural tendency, the age and then sluggishness, and then it's if your the strength and stamina is not good enough, so many things will attack, one will feel sick, and then it's difficult to recover. The fitness makes persons mentally, physically, spiritually, in all angles very strong.
Absolutely.
So that is the idea behind.
Absolutely, like you said, fitness has to be an absolute essential part of our lives, just like having a meal or brushing our teeth or going to bed at night.
Yes.
Fitness has to be
Yeah.
100% integral to our lives, and it just does not contribute to the body. I
Yes.
believe, as a
Yes.
fitness professional myself,
Yeah.
it starts with the body, of course, but
Right.
it does not end there. It goes to your mind and to your spirituality as well.
Absolutely.
It creates a complete healthy human being.
Yeah.
Not just in terms of the body, but in terms of the mind and the soul as well.
Correct.
Yoga essentially contributes to that, along with other forms of fitness.
Yes.
I just got to know from someone in the office that you have been practicing yoga for quite a long time yourself.
Right.
So how did your journey with yoga start? Because I myself am a yoga practitioner, and the subject is very intense for me.
Right.
So the moment I got to know that you have a very deep background in yoga, I just wanted to throw this question at you. How did it all start?
So it's yoga is I don't differentiate from the fitness.
Yes.
It's somebody who knows the fitness and exercise. Like yoga is a little refined method of exercise.
A slightly more spiritual experience.
Yes. Now it is like one goes yoga also is connected to deeply into the spirituality.
Yes.
But it balances. The exercise is it's a physical exercises keep the body, and then in the yoga you have certain specific bending to all those things, angles. Also it balances the mind. So along with that, it keeps you calm, cool, and then because I've been handling too many projects, and then it's important to keep myself very calm.
Absolutely.
Now since yoga is our own ancestral property, so it is better we must use it and teach others.
Absolutely.
So
You're so
we feel
right.
proud about it.
Very true, sir. Like you said, yoga is all about connection of the mind, body, and the soul all at the same time.
Yeah.
And yoga should not stop at just the yoga studio or the
Right.
class, that 1 hour class that you are attending.
Yeah.
Yoga should become a lifestyle.
Right.
Whether you are having a tough day at the office, or you're handling different projects, like you are handling projects all day, traveling to so many parts of the country and outside the country.
Yeah.
So of course, all of us have a lot of stress and anxiety in our lives these days because of our hectic schedules.
Right.
And the other forms of fitness mostly focus on the physical part of fitness, but they do not cater to the mental and the spiritual well-being
Right.
of human beings.
Yeah.
Yoga, on the other hand, caters to all the three aspects of our life:
Right.
mental, spiritual, as well as physical. So
Right.
it definitely brings our entire system back into a balance, which is essentially needed in today's hectic lifestyle as such.
Yeah.
So apart from being a fitness professional, I believe that yoga should also be incorporated into our lives to maintain a balance, so that we can stay sane in the head and carry on with our lives and our works with full energy.
Right.
So definitely yoga becomes extremely important in that regard. and we have the third International Day of Yoga coming up as well. So I believe that it's probably the right time
Yeah.
to make our people and our audience, our Stay Fit audience, also aware of the importance of yoga, and that it's high time that they start practicing.
Right.
The ones who have been practicing, very nice, they should continue, and the ones who have been procrastinating and pushing it ahead, we'll try it someday.
It's
Just like
time
our
to
editor
start.
said, it's time to start now.
It's time to start, and also we are coming up with known as a Stay Fit Fitness Studios.
Oh,
and then
lovely.
we will also have a Stay Fit Yoga.
Oh, that's extremely
Specifically
nice.
designed. We have over 100 plus different yoga asanas.
Yes.
But we are selecting few, and then which is where I'm practicing, which has produced me great results, helped me to to get the best value out of it. And those exercises, those yoga things, specifically now we will be introducing in our yoga, Stay Fit Yoga, known as Stay Fit Yoga,
Oh, lovely.
and in our fitness studios.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So StayFit is slowly going to come up with probably a sequence or a series of unique yoga asanas which have emerged from the writers for the magazine and Sir himself.
Right.
So I think that in probably a couple of months' time, our readers are going to have a palette of extremely important yoga asanas served to them,
Yes.
which has emerged from our experience
Right.
itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Some asanas which have been extremely beneficial to us in our lives, and we believe that they can extend the same benefits to our readers as well.
Yeah.
So all of us are going to be more than happy to share it with our readers.
In fact, my life partner also is a yoga teacher.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, so she teaches yoga besides being, it's like we don't separate yoga is different from the, fitness. It's like a,
Absolutely.
so she believes and then being a yoga teacher, gives so much joy and happiness, spreading that you don't need equipment all the time to exercise. Though we're in the business, but people who think that bending is difficult, but you start with the fitness exercises and then slowly move on to the yoga. so
Very
it's
true.
wonderful.
Sometimes we don't need so much of complicated equipment. All you need is yourself, probably some water, a mat, and a little dose of dedication, of course. That's
Yes.
all you need sometimes to focus on fitness.
Yeah.
And it's not really important to be a fitness professional to be able to do a back bend or a forward bend like we do in yoga. All you need to do is love your body, take a deep breath, feel relaxed, and go with the flow. Even if you are not perfect, you will reach there someday or the other. If not today, maybe 10 days from now, 10 months from now. But all you need is consistency and dedication.
Yeah, commitment to have good, healthy happiness.
Yes, and that's a very valid commitment, I believe. We keep committing to so many different work projects and so many things that we have to accomplish in life, but a commitment to our basic health is the first and foremost. It
Yes.
should be at the top priority in our priority list when it
Yeah.
comes to commitments and schedules.
Yeah.
Make a commitment today to your health so that you can keep your commitments elsewhere.
Oh, yes.
This
Yeah.
is a harmonious beat.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for having this valuable conversation with me, and we are able to share this with our readers and our audience of Stay Fit. Thank you so much for sharing this time with
Yeah,
us.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, pleasure.
Thank you so much, sir, for spending time with me and sharing your valuable thoughts on fitness with me. You have been pushing this movement of building a healthy India for 21 years now, and you are the founder of Stay Fit brand, the equipments that are flowing across the country and inspiring more and more people to stay fit, and sharing this beautiful magazine with us, our readers, who can now get introduced to the various forms of fitness, alternative forms of fitness apart from the traditional forms of fitness. Thank you so much for contributing towards fitness in a country like India and in a country where yoga was born. I extend my personal gratitude to you for sharing your experiences with yoga and throwing light on yoga as a practice so that more and more Indians can now start practicing yoga and creating more meaningful lives. Thank you so much.
Got it. Thank you very much. Pleasure is mine. By the way, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate your contribution, immense contribution for our audience, for our readers, with your practical yoga demonstration and the information, and it's really reaching hundreds of thousands of people across India and abroad. So this has really been a great work. Being a runner, yoga expert, and fitness model and author, Oh, wonderful job you're doing, and it's pleasure mine coming to our studio and then sharing your thoughts and spreading to the all people across. Okay.
I would like to add on to that. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
providing me with such a beautiful platform
So
so that I
we
can
can-
share my thoughts on fitness with the audience and the readers of India.
Yes.
Otherwise, I would not have a platform to share my experiences. So, Stay Fit has been warm and generous enough to provide me with a platform every month wherein I can share my thoughts and inputs with my readers.
Yes.
So, I would like to thank you for giving me an
This
opportunity
is
as well.
Saha Speak.
Thank you.